Let me put my earrings. I cannot speak today. I don't know what's going on. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'll be right back. Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. Today I'm back with another makeup tutorial. I'm going to be doing my makeup using this Glamistry Beauty Girl Code palette. You are all familiar with it. This is my own creation, and I put my whole soul into creating this palette. That's why I want to work and create as many looks with it as I can to show you how versatile it is. And even besides this palette, I really want to get back into doing my makeup more often and share this process with you, so you can be expecting this kind of videos pretty often on my channel. So like I said, thank you so much for tuning in today. Today I'm going to be creating this look. This is halo eyes with the cranberry, some cranberry shades and some gold tones. So if you are interested to see how I achieved it, then please keep watching. So I already did my face, I already contoured my cheekbones, applied some blush, and did my eyebrows. So I only need to do my eyes and lips next. And today I'm going to be using, of course, my Glamistry Beauty palette. It's called Girl Code palette. It's very versatile. It's good for everyday looks and for fancy looks. So I'm going to be applying this Mama Bear shade in the crease first of all. And then I'm going to use this Little Boss gold shade. I'm going to have a sex talk to deepen my crease. So those are mainly three shades I'm going to be using. And I'm using the fluffy Morphe brush. It doesn't have a number on it, but it's like a blending brush. I don't know if my camera focuses on it. Focus on it. Come on, you can do it. Alright, it cannot do it. Anyway, so I'm applying Mama Bear in my crease. Just like so. Then to deepen my crease, I'm going to use the Morphe E17 brush. It's like a pointy blending brush. And I'm going to use the Sex Talk cranberry shade. It's very matte, so it really, you know, can be used for a lot of different looks. Especially, it's very like fall time color, but I think because it's so warm, it looks really good like on any skin tone, pretty much year round. So I'm going to deepen up my crease, and then I'm going to do sort of a halo look. So I'm going to bring this shade, I'm going to put it on my inner corners as well. My palette doesn't have much fallout. I just blew on it because I accidentally damped in another shade. So I'm going to bring it right here, just like so. See, pretty dark. And I'm not going to really connect them. I feel like if I connect them, it looks too like, I don't know, artistic. I kind of want this look to be sort of a wearable. So after I apply the gold shade, I'm going to add a little bit more Mama Bear in my crease to blend all this out. But so far it's going to be something like this. I'm going to use the little flat brush by Morphe. It's M210. I'm going to use the same Sex Talk shade to put it on the under eye. And the same here, I'm going to leave the middle portion out, so I can add a gold shade on it later. Just like so. Now using the flat Morphe brush, it doesn't have a name. I'm going to apply this gold shade. It's called Little Boss. It was inspired by Tanya. She likes gold. So this shade was dedicated for her. I'm going to apply it in the middle of my eyelid. And you see how pigmented the eyeshadows are? Usually a lot of like shimmery shade, you need to use the MAC Fix Plus or apply it with a finger. This one can be applied with a flat brush and still have like great payoff. So like this, and I'm going to apply it in the middle of my bottom lash line as well. And you see how easy you can do this look. And with the blending brush, I'm adding the Mama Bear just to like blend all this out. I'm applying a little bit of extra shade, like extra color. And just like so. I feel like I'm going to deepen up the outer corners just a little bit. I'm using Morphe M506 brush. It's like a small tapered blending brush. I'm using the Intervention, which is this dark brown shade. If you're going for like a night out, you can even use the black, but I don't want it to be too dramatic, so I'm applying it a little bit on the outer corners. And you can use the blending brush after that to blend all this out too, but I think it looks pretty good to me. Okay, so for my lashes, I wanted to show you today, I'm going to be using the magnetic lashes, which are pretty cool. I recently discovered them. I only purchased one pair because they were kind of pricey. But when you purchase it, you also get this eyeliner, and this is the magnetic eyeliner. The brand is called, I think it's called Glamnetic or something like that. There is no branding whatsoever on this liner. But I'll show you the lashes, and I already trimmed them, so they're usually longer. But first of all, you need to apply a little bit of this, liner. And you can use it in combination with your own liner, because this liner is like very basic. It doesn't do anything special. So if you want to do a wing liner with your own liner and then apply this on top, that's kind of a best solution. For mascara today, as always, I'm using the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. I'm going to coat my lashes like a little bit, just a couple of coats, and I'm going to pop in my lashes in a minute. Just going to let my eyeliner dry a little bit, because this eyeliner, like I said, it's very generic. It's nothing special, but it makes it work with falsies, so kind of a necessity with this magnetic lashes. So for my lips, I'm using the Morphe Cheapy liner. It's like a darker nude. I cannot talk into my liner. For the oh my goodness, liquid lipstick, I'm using the Morphe liquid lip in the shade Fatty, P-H-A-T-T-Y, Fatty, sorry, I don't know. I was trying to find like really dark dramatic burgundy lip, but I could not find it. I decluttered my makeup when we moved to this house. So probably 70% of my makeup was thrown away or given away. brought these lashes that, like I said, they called Glamnetic. And like I said, you don't need to use the glue with it. You only need to pop it on top of this eyeliner that's supposed to have some kind of magnets or something. I don't even know what it has. And these lashes, I already trimmed them because I have a tiny little bitty eyes. And they're supposed to stick right on. Let me use this mirror. Are they symmetrical? I think they're pretty good, right? Let me put my earrings. I cannot speak today. I don't know what's going on. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'll be right back. Alright, so screw these earrings because they do not want to stay on. That is it, guys, for today's look. Thank you so much for staying tuned and for watching it. I hope you enjoyed being a part of my getting ready with me process, because I love playing with makeup and lately I have not been doing that enough. So I really want to get back on track, and I really want to come up with as many different colorful and interesting looks as I can with my Girl Code palette. If you still don't have it, then go ahead and go to www.glamestrebeauty.com to purchase it. It's a super exciting part of my life to come out with this eyeshadow palette, and I put my whole heart into creating this palette, so I really guarantee a great quality, and I'm sure you're not going to be disappointed. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial once again, and please give me your thumbs up if you like this video, and please subscribe to my channel. I post 2 vlogs every week, and I post the makeup tutorials. I'll do my best to do it every week as well. But thank you so much for being a part of my life, and until the next time, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.